it's like that's why I was saying, even if you was buying, it's like, how do you even buy and feel comfortable? So it's really hard to tell what's going to happen. But I think it's respecting. Let me update my chart, by the way. I think it's at least trying to respect this 15-minute order block right there. It touched the lower part of it, and then it rejected away, but I still think it's going to continue to go higher, to be honest. I think the first presented fair value gap is going to be somewhere to possibly take a sale. Like I said, it's really hard to know what's going to happen. It's only 212, but at least on a 1 hour time frame, we did get a swing failure down here, right? So the swing failure pretty much means that we had a swing low right here, we had a swing low right there where my orange lines are. Price did come below here, and then we rejected away, right? So that's telling us that price wants to go up at least for the next hour or so. We did get a swing high. Finally got our swing high on a 5 minute. So, if we was going to try to look to take this market back up, we would have to wait for it to drop into a discount. So the trade would have to look something like that, right? And honestly, I don't trust buys. I don't trust sells. I'm really not even trying to trade the evening session. This is all just for learning purposes, right? So don't take any of these trades, right? That could be a potential buy, but for me personally, it's not like the sexiest trade ever. So I think another thing that you could note as well is the midpoint of this 15-minute wick right here. I wouldn't be surprised to see price want to at least go up into the midpoint of this wick that we just measured out right there. So let me see, be something like that. Like I said, not taking any trades. This is all just hypothetical for learning purposes. This little gap right here could continue to act as a breakaway gap. So far, it's acting as a breakaway gap. So but like I said, that's why it's so hard for me to find a trade, because I don't really think I could find a trade. If we measure out this swing low to swing high, it just don't look that good to me. Look at this on a 5 minute. I think let's make sure we watch this on a 5 minute time frame. It's like, it's weird because I'm looking at the market and I'm thinking, okay, if we get a pullback to go back up, that could be a possible idea. But also on a 5 minute, now that I look at it, right,